Abhishek Sharma, the rising star of Indian cricket, celebrates his 24th birthday. Yuvraj Singh, his mentor, took to social media to wish him in style. Abhishek made his debut for the Indian national cricket team and scored a sensational 100 in the second T20I against Zimbabwe. Despite being demoted in the batting order in later games, Abhishek's aggressive batting style has impressed many. He was a key player for Sunrisers Hyderabad in IPL 2024, amassing 484 runs with a strike rate of 204.21. Yuvraj jokingly advised him to focus on singles in his birthday post. Australia Test captain Pat Cummins is excited for the upcoming Border Gavaskar Test series against India. Despite India's previous victories in overseas conditions, Cummins believes the series will be evenly contested. He is determined to win the series at home after failing to do so in the last two encounters. Bangladesh made history by defeating Pakistan 2-0 in the Test series, marking their first-ever Test series win against Pakistan. After a stunning comeback in the second Test, Bangladesh clinched victory with a 6-wicket win. The team celebrated their triumph by singing the Bengali version of "We Shall Overcome" in the dressing room. Top performers included Shakib Al Hasan, Mushfiqur Rahim, Nahid Rana, Hassan Mahmood, Mehdi Hassan, and Liton Das. Bangladesh will now face India in a two-match Test series starting on 19 September. Jason Gillespie, the Test head coach of Pakistan, has supported Shan Masood, stating that he led the side well despite a 0-2 loss against Bangladesh. Masood's fifth defeat as Test skipper raises concerns before the upcoming Test series against England. Pakistan last won a Test series at home in 2021 when they defeated South Africa. Bangladesh captain Najmul Hussain Shanto believes that their first Test cricket series win over Pakistan will give his compatriots reason to smile amid ongoing difficulties. Despite recent civil unrest and deadly flash floods, Bangladesh managed to secure a 6-wicket victory in the second Test, following their epic 10-wicket win in the first Test. Shanto praised the work ethic of the young fast bowlers and expressed confidence ahead of their upcoming tour of India. Indian cricketer Jasprit Bumrah is back to training after a long break and has expressed his admiration for Punjabi music star Karan Aujla. Bumrah was seen bowling in the nets while Aujla's hit tracks played in the background. The speedster also used Aujla's song in a photo with the ICC T20 World Cup trophy. Bumrah, who last played for India in a global event, took 15 wickets and was named the player of the tournament. He could potentially play in the upcoming Test series against Bangladesh. Former Indian cricketer Harbhajan Singh reveals an incident where MS Dhoni refused to guide bowler Shardul Thakur. Dhoni believed in encouraging self-learning and wanted the bowlers to learn from their mistakes. He would only intervene when things went out of control. Harbhajan spoke highly of Dhoni's calm and team-oriented approach, stating that winning or losing didn't change the atmosphere in the Chennai Super Kings team. Brendan McCullum, the coach of England's Test side, will also take charge of the One-Day International and 2020 teams from next year. The change is part of a rejigged leadership structure to accommodate the overlapping schedules of the shorter and longer formats. McCullum's coaching approach, known as Bazball, has been credited with improving England's Test team, and he aims to create an environment where players can thrive and compete at the highest level. Bangladesh secured a historic series sweep against Pakistan by winning the second Test match. Needing 143 runs on the final day, they knocked them off for the loss of 4 wickets. This is only Bangladesh's second overseas series win, with their last victory in 2009 against the West Indies. Bangladesh captain Najmul Hussain Shanto expressed his happiness and credited the team's work ethic for the success. The team believed in themselves and their efforts paid off, overcoming their poor record against Pakistan in the past. Liton Das and Mehdi Hasan Miraj's performances were crucial in securing the victory. Bangladesh secured a victory against Pakistan in a cricket test, extending Pakistan's home record of 10 consecutive winless matches. The top order of Bangladesh showed resilience, with meaningful contributions from Zakir Hasan, Shanto, and Mominul Haq. Pakistan missed chances and couldn't hold on to difficult catches. Pakistan captain Shan Masood has now lost his first 5 tests. Despite the loss, Masood remains hopeful and believes the team is heading in the right direction.